How to transfer Ggives to CIMB Bank. Now, before doing this method, all I have to do first is to ensure that you're currently running the latest version of the GCash application. Just head over directly to Google Play Store and just simply type in GCash. And in here, you should be able to know if it needs an updating because update button is going to be visible. After that, make sure that you logged into your GCash account using your 4-digit PIN. And the next thing that you do is ensure that your CIMB Bank is fully verified so that you can transfer funds without any problems. Now you have to be qualified for Ggives, and then once you're fully qualified, then you just have to transfer your Ggives directly to your GCash available balance so that you can transfer it over to your CIMB Bank. To transfer it over, just head over to the transfer option, go to local. Now scroll down and tap on view all, and then in here just simply type in CIMB, and then just have to fill it out, specific amount, the account name, and the account number from your CIMB Bank. And that's it. That's how you transfer Ggives to CIMB Bank.